Today we're going to do the Tractor Trailer Class 1, Class A driver's license test and going for the drive. Stick around, we'll be right back with that information. Stop before the stop line, back into first gear, and we creep forward to C. It's good. No steering and gearing. We stay right over to the right. Cancel our signal, trailer's in. Then we're not going to make that green. Okay, maybe we are. Straight through. Move around the car. Signal, we're going to go over the yellow a little bit. We're slowing down back here. When you go into fourth gear, you need to be less than 20 kilometers an hour or less than 10 miles an hour. Stop before the stop line just as it rolls under the front of the truck. We're in fourth, back to first. Watching the other light. The other car is gone. We're getting ready to go. Clutch out, holding the brake. Right there. Got a pedestrian. Pedestrians attain the curb. We're going to go into this lane because we're turning right. We're not going to shift. We can go around the corner in this. We stay up right against this side here. No cars coming on the other side. Come around the corner and we stay in our lane. Trailers around. Signal left. Good to go. Leave our signal on. We're moving into the left lane because we're going to turn left here. And we come up and we stop just as the stop line rolls under the front of the truck. Leave it in gear. We should have shifted down to fourth. We might have lost 5 points there. Selector back, brain selector down, clutch in, both hands on the steering wheel. We're going to drive straight into the intersection and turn left. We're going to take up the space over on the traffic island on the other side. See the traffic coming to a stop over there, and we're ready to go. Ah! And I just lost 10 points there. Steering and gearing. Climbing a hill here, so we're just going to leave it in gear. We got our foot right on the floor. It's running 1400 RPM, which is perfect for a cat. It'll just pull the hill. And we're just letting off a little bit. We're going to do 50 kilometers an hour, 30 miles an hour. We've got to do the speed limit for the purposes of doing a road test. We're gaining on the set of Super Beasts here, so we're going to get ready to go around them here. There's no traffic behind us. That big truck might actually take off because we got to do the speed limit until we get around the corner here when it goes to 70. Speed limit's gone to 70. Stay the top side of the curve so we don't drop over into the other lane there. We got a car behind us, we'll just let the cars go past us. I split half a gear there. And I'm too close to this car here, this big truck here. I'm going to go around. And that was a rough shift, but I would only lose some points for that. I'd like to thank Norval for providing equipment to make this video possible. They have 5 locations throughout the Okanagan Valley. You can rent everything from pullers, the delineators that I use, small engine equipment, and this huge boom you'll see back on the trailer here. So check out Norval and rent from them, because there are great advantages to renting as opposed to owning. A utility trailer, for example, you don't have to store it and you don't have to maintain it. Cheaper to hire for only using it a couple of times a year. Check out Norval. We got a car on the side here. We're just going to stay over to the left as much as we can without moving into the other lane. We got another hill coming up. We're going to have to climb the hill. We're below 70, so we're going to turn on our four-ways to indicate the traffic behind us that we're going slow. We're going to have to brake a little bit to keep our speed, otherwise it's going to roll down the hill. And just intermittent braking, hard braking, bring the speed down 2 or 3 miles an hour, and then brake again underneath. That way it gives air time to run over the brakes and cool the brakes down. Okay, signal to the left. We're going to move into the left lane. Nobody there. We start shifting down. We bring our RPMs right down to 900 RPM. Into the turning lane. We're going to stop back here so we can get a run at the gap here. And again, I lost 5 points because I didn't shift down to 4th gear. I only went to 5th. Our gap is coming. Stay out to the right. Trailers around. Stay right at the top side of the curve. Cancel the signal. 60 kilometers an hour along here. Stay top side so the trailer doesn't drop over into the other lane. We're doing 60 kilometers an hour. Braking as we're coming down the hill to keep our speed. We're going to go into the pullout here and do our backing and our hook and unhook. Signal. Downshifting. Into 4th. Nice and slow when you come off the pavement onto the gravel, because it's always going to be rough. Blood, sweat, and tears. That's what went into this video, because it was hot. And I cut my head on the end of that angle iron underneath the trailer. Ah, that's going to bleed. If you want the complete list, detailed list of what you need to say, what you need to inspect for the purposes of passing your pre-trip inspection, click up in the corner here, head over to the Smart Drive Test website.